Guess where we're headed? To the Nationals game.
Take me out to the ball game.
Take me out. This is gonna be her second game.
Cracker Jacks.
We went first
I
one. We
don't
went.
care if I ever
Hey,
come back.
the first one we went to was the Atlanta Braves, and now we're going to the Washington Nationals. So, Babe wants a glove.
For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out of the old ball game.
That's your crazy daddy. Babe wanted a glove. He hasn't had a glove since he was a kid, so he's interested in getting a glove.
I'm little.
Everyone is finding it's way too small for him. So we'll see how this turns out. And baby girl says she wants one so they can play catch and stuff together, Daddy said. So we'll see how this goes. But either way, we're going to the Nationals game.
Daddy, catch it with that.
Daddy said, which glove do you want?
You want a pink glove?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want that one.
Oh.
You gotta put it on this hand.
Here, let me hold Ellie for you. Thank you.
Because I have one.
No, because I think you're right-handed right now.
Yeah. Ooh! Your grandma would be so happy. Oh!
Nah, you didn't win.
You didn't win.
No, throw it.
Throw with your other hand. And then catch with the glove hand.
Turn it this way. Good. Now drop it low. And then turn your hand up. And you're gonna catch it like that.
Oh! That was so close. And you gotta grab it. Close the glove next time.
Let Daddy find his glove. What's going
Yeah. Cause I got her glove.
Hey, try this glove.
That's too small for Daddy. Daddy needs a big man glove.
Daddy, look at this one. This one is cute. You like
It's alright.
it? Mommy!
I see.
Take a picture of that.
Ah, look at her face. Girl. Oh my goodness.
Oh!
Daddy, that was too big.
Time.
Got it.
You didn't catch it.
Yes, I did.
Ooh, you got one?
But this one is not.
How's it feel?
Mom,
Oh gosh. Look at
see.
We found our gloves, guys. Let me see. You got your gloves. We happy. I like to move it. You like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. You like to move it.
Physically fit. Physically fit.
Dad is better. That's better than Daddy's.
Daddy's.
My voice.
Your voice? Oh gosh. Him and this moose monkey dance. And look at you copying right behind him. So no shirt, babe?
So
Oh.
no more stuff for buying for you. Hello, kitty.
Hello, kitty. Oh, that's a cute bag.
I like this shirt.
Oh, Minnie Mouse rainbow bag.
It's a baby shirt.
Mommy.
Oh, I thought you were joking.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse rainbow bag.
I see.
And Stitch rainbow bag.
I see, Mama.
I like the best is Hello Kitty.
Hello,
And
kitty.
Minnie Mouse and Stitch.
Yeah. Oh, you like them all, huh? Everybody say off to the baseball game.
Off to the baseball game. We gotta say something better than that.
Why? Like what?
Take me out to
We
the
already
ball.
We made it. We're here.
Let's go, baby. Let's go Nets, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go Nets. Let's go.
Someone doesn't look happy to be here. I'm almost there, bro. Look, you see it?
Put your glove up.
Can't forget about the big Gambino.
A little bit. Let's play ball.
Oh, they do let you bring in bags. They just check them. Darn it. Thank you too.
Bud Light here, get your Bud Light here. Hold it.
Ooh, I feel a mist.
It's gonna rain again. It's scheduled to already rain again.
She thinks she out of
Watermelon. Ooh, Daddy got the same.
electric Kool-Aid watermelon.
Yes, electric Kool-Aid, so sweet. Got us out the way.
It smells good over here, don't it?
Oh yeah, it's a lot of food.
Let's go, man.
Why everyone is standing up?
I'm sure you hear what's going on. Delayed, and now we have to go indoors under shelter because of a weather update, a weather delay. Again, so off we go. So I've come back to Food Central. Look at the beautiful sunset. It's so cute. Here we are, trying to decide what I want now.